Will you believe me that these creamy brownie bites are just yummalicious to eat? Start by melting chocolate and butter together. Add sugar, milk, vanilla essence, condensed milk. Mix it all together. Then we'll add cocoa powder, maida and mix it properly. And then we'll pour all these into a grease tin and microwave it. While it is getting baked, we'll start by making our cream by mixing cream and the melted chocolate. Blend it till it forms beaks. Cut the brownie into the small shapes and fill the creaming and serve. It is wow. Mmm.